Back once again. This video is gonna be about finding solo ad sellers, what to look for, so you'll get the best deals possible, and also that you won't get scammed. Alright, here we go. First, right now the only place I buy solo ads from, which there's more places, I have more resources at the bottom of the video for you to go, get more solo ads from. So this will be my second video on buying solo ads. So my first one, I'll have resources and everything. So this is kind of like a bonus video telling you more about what to look out for and how to do this. Alright, I know I've said before on this site, you just basically, you want to get a solo ad. You go up here to solo deals or even find sellers. Both work the same way. Let's see right off, this guy, 99% USA traffic and quality leads plus quality buyers, 10% over delivery, 44 cents a click. So basically it'd be 44. Well, I think they charge you an extra $2 now for filtered clicks. So it'd be $46 for 100 clicks. You got different ones that are cheaper. This is $36 per $36 for 100 clicks. $44, 43, 44. That's just basically what you look at. I got one going with him, I think on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see my solos. Yep, I got one going now. I got 74 out of 100 clicks, and this guy so he's ready to go. So it'll be Monday. But this is what I look for whenever I go in here. Like I've said before, I want at least 80% tier 1 traffic. But the absolute lowest that I've taken a chance on and went was 70 with this solo ad seller right here. And this is one I can say is worth it. 70% good responsive leads. They're real. These guys, John Coburn, I got some good ads from him. Desmond, some from him. Dana. These guys here, they're pretty legit. I know of them because I've used them a couple of times. Shoe D's, she's been around for a while, so yeah, she's legit. Kenneth Crackstad, he's been around for a while. Malik Trotman's been around. Riz Nicholas, he's been around for a while. Lisa G. You just basically, whenever you go in here and look, like you click their name, George Capo. I've got a solo ad with him before. Just look at what his other guys are saying. People who bought from him. If they, saying, "Oh, this is a bad solo." Nobody's saying it's a bad solo. So that's what you do in Udemy. This is how you find the best ones. You look at the comments and you see. And like another thing I look at is tier 1 traffic. This is saying 43%. That's not true. There's no way that's true. So I don't know what the deal is with that. 43% tier 1 United States and 1% Brazil. Let's see, 3, 5, 3. So yeah, he has to. And even the guy down here said he had 70. Okay, it was opt-in 70% tier 1. So yeah, he's probably up in the 70 range, the low. But like I said, I'm more or less like the 80 range. But I'll go as low, really, as 75. Now let's just make it 70 because there's some good sellers out there that have real good traffic with 70 tier 1 traffic. So yes, she was a good. I just bought a solo from her. She's pretty good, and she's brand new. And I had a good solo with her. But like I said, just do your due diligence. Look at the comments of what people are saying. That'll tell you everything. And this is for Udemy. In the other video, I showed you basically, where to put your swipes and You know, you go to swipes to put your swipes in, new swipe added, and what to do. I've told you how to do all of that. So, but like I said, if you're interested in Udemy, there's a link to Udemy at the bottom of the video, or I have it down in the resources area. So the next one is on Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, get it. I mean, it's not. It's at least if you want to do it for solo ads, just get it for solo ads. But this site, Solo Ad Testimonials, they have, you know, their top 10 guys, which I've explained in the other video, really. But I've bought a few solos since then, like that's what pending. I have one pending approval, and all it was yeah, I told who I bought from. I got over 200 clicks, delivered 258, 35% opt-in, 80% tier 1. That's exactly what my click magic link said. It was saying 80%. That's why it's very important to track. That way you know you're not getting like 60 and 50% poor quality traffic. So, and another thing, if you're not getting at least 30% opt-ins, that traffic must not be that good. You got to at least get around 30% at least. And also, now you can click these different names, and you know, because I've befriended all these guys here on this list. Because I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna try each and every one of them and see how this solo ad goes. Okay, let's go back. Solo ad sales. The other one is solo ad. First, let me finish this. So we got solo ad testimonials. Now, you just basically, a lot of them, they don't have, you know, sites right off. You got to basically, you friend them and then you ask them, what is your website, you know, to order solos from, and they'll tell you right off. Like Riz Nicholas, like I told you, he's in Udemy, and his clicks are cheaper in Udemy than they are here, but he sold somebody 500 clicks, 551, 80% tier 1. I mean, like I said, you want the tier 1. Look at this one, Nicholas. Bought it from Kenny Tan. 100% tier 1. That's some great quality. And then got 41% opt-in. That is pretty good. That's pretty good. See, now you best believe I'm going to Kenny Tan next. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. Now watch this. See, I sent the friend request and I sent a message. I said, what's your website to buy solo ads? Thanks. Now, I'm asking about solo ads, so he's going to accept my friend request. I mean, he'd be crazy not to because I'm a potential customer. So, I don't know why this keeps, let me see. If I can go back to it. There we go. So you just go on down the list and see what people are saying. What are the opt-in rates? 200, got 224, 88% tier 1, 38% opt-in. That's a good one. Just look for, you know, the parameters I told you about. So 75% tier 1, that's fine. You know, it's really up to you, but do not, please do not go under 70% tier 1. Do not go under 70 at all. 70 is by far, I would not go nowhere. I really stay kind of away from 70, but 70 should be the lowest of the low that you'd ever go. Okay. Some of these, I don't see any sales here. Usually you see people got sales from it, but another way to check someone out is to, like, you know, they might be getting, you know, good feedback, but just copy their name, take it right up to this, search the group, paste it in there, and hit enter. Now it should tell you all the people that bought from this guy. I don't know what's wrong with my site. But when you do that, I guarantee it'll work for you. You put their name in here, hit enter search, it'll tell you all the people who's bought from them and all their comments. So you can, that'll be a way of double checking to see if they're quality traffic or not. Now, here's another site. Separate the chunk from the champ. Solo ads that convert. So this one is basically a lot of them that converted. And you can still buy solo ads from a lot of people in here because they basically own in both websites, and of course there's some in this website that's not in the other. But yeah, you just do the same thing. This one, 91% and 51% opt-in. That is crazy. He got almost 600 clicks off a $500 order. That is another one. See, that's the stuff you really gotta look for. That's what you want. You want quality traffic that'll respond and help you out. So let's see, what website do you use to promote your solos? What website do you use to, promote, to sell your solos? The reason why I'm kind of giving it different terms, because sometimes Facebook, they kind of sketchy. If you put the same thing in to like 10, 11 different people, they kind of try to give you a little warning or so. I don't know why they don't just let kind of let you be, but that's just what they do. So this is another good one. 500, 558, 41. And God, you do not have to get a 500 click order. You can get it as low as 50 clicks or 100 clicks. Some of these are, expensive. Do not really, you should be within the range of 30 and 70 cents per click. That's the range you should be in. Don't pay less than 30. Don't really pay more than 75. Or really don't pay more than 70, to be honest with you. But that's the rule of thumb. Between 30 and 70 clicks or cents per click. Do not spend under 30 cents per click. Do not spend over 70 cents per click. So that's basically it for this site. And if you send clicks with the method I teach you in this training that I have, you're gonna have some pretty good results. So just apply everything you've learned in there. Go ahead and just apply what I showed you, and you should have some really good results, especially with the exit pop and the redirect on the thank you page. So that'll be it for this video, and I'll have to figure out, I might do another bonus video of something else, but that's it for now. Have a great day.